You're watching HPN, Hampton Primary News.
Welcome to the HPM Helicopter News, where today's learners and tomorrow's leaders are letting their dreams take flight. This is Mackenzie
and Royce
with the weekly news for October 3rd, 2019.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. You may be seated.
This is hurricane season. What is a hurricane?
Let's find out from our Stay Curious reporter. What can you tell us, Caleb?
Hello everyone. Hurricanes are huge storms that start over warm ocean water. Hurricanes usually last about 1 week. They can cause damage if they come onto land. The damage comes from strong winds and pouring rain. North Carolina had a hurricane last month. We hope hurricanes will stay away from our coast. You can find out more in a good book from the library like this one. Stay curious, Hampton Helicopters. Now back to Mackenzie and Royce. Bye.
Thank you, Caleb.
And now we welcome our special guest. Our reporter is with him now.
Jett, are you ready? Take it away.
Good morning, Dr. Copter. Where have you been? I have not seen you lately. Where have you been?
Good morning, Jett and boys and girls. Where have I been? I have been busy finding out what's happening at Hampton. That's my job.
Oh, so what is happening at Hampton, Dr. Copter?
A lot has been happening. Last week, our parents discovered what the students are going to learn this year. For example, the pre-K students are learning all about me. I think that is wonderful because I am very interesting.
No, Dr. Copter. They are learning about all of themselves, not you.
Oh, well, I guess that does make more sense.
Do you know what the kindergarten students are working on?
Yes, I do. They are trying to determine why we need rules at school. Now that is a good idea. Jett, you're a first grader, right? What are you and your classmates studying at this time?
Plants and animals. We are planting seeds and building habitats for insects. We will learn how plants and bugs live together in the world.
Brilliant! I love scientific research.
Well, thank you, Dr. Copter, for this important information. We hope you will visit us again.
I will, but now I need to get back to work. I will see you later to tell you what's happening at Hampton.
And now we need to go back to our studio with Mackenzie and Royce. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Jett and Dr. Copter.
Mackenzie, do you know the story about the letter I?
Yes, when he is feeling lazy, he says,
I.
And when he is a superhero, he says,
I.
I.
Well, that's all for the HPN Helicopter News. We will see you next Thursday, same place, same time. Have a good weekend, and remember,
Let your dreams take flight. Bye.